Forward progress. Kent 70 Monaco. Let's dig in. Right, getting ready to do all the belts. We pulled all the old ones off. Kent had a few he ordered, but they did not seem to be correct. So we're going to check and verify that here in a minute. We're also going to pull the cap right here and the rotor. We're going to dig in and put our Pertronix in there. We can start setting up and hooking up these AC hoses. We have an expansion valve we need to replace back there. We've got dryer as well, but we will do that last minute before we charge the AC. Plugging away. Plugging away. Right, got our distributor cap pulled. Got our rotor off. Getting ready to install our Pertronix. Right, step one is take out the point. We'll be undoing the condenser screw here, along with the point retention screw here. If it wants to come out. Next step will be undo the ground here, and we can pull that out of the distributor. Points are out. Next stop, garbage can. First step was install advance plate adapter. That's done. Next step, we'll be putting the actual Pertronix pickup. All right, we've got our rotor with the magnet placed. We will check our end play between the two. Comes with a feeler gauge. And we'll put our nut right here, tighten it up, and we will be done under the cap. There's our plastic feeler gauge. There's our nut to retain. So let's set everything. Right, there's our feeler gauge. There's our nut. We are set. Get that baby snugged up real nice. All right. Get our grommy wrestled into place. There we are. Now we finish up our wiring. We'll route it nicely, but obviously black to negative, red to positive, and then that will be done. Right, so we're swapping out our wipers with nice new freshies. I already got the driver's side done. The other day, Kent and I pulled this cover, and Kent took it home and cleaned it up really, really nice. Excellent job.
Well, I'm just glad it wasn't bent out of shape or anything. And, you know, none of the little grill works were broken or anything.
No, it's in excellent shape. I mean, you can even see the part number on it. Everything. But, yeah, so back to the wiper. Old ones, you just gotta push this little button down. Trying to do it one-handed. But anyway, you push the button down, slide it off, and pop the new one on.
6970 Polara Monaco Chrysler. So this one.
NOS.
Okay,
good job.
you know, it's got a screw too.
It's threaded.
So evidently it doesn't go all the way down.
No, it just. You want me to take a chance and put her on there?
Well, put it on. Let's see if the radio works.
That box
Maybe.
is so cool.
Yeah. See, there's all kinds of,
Ooh, open up the goodie bag.
and I think it has the, well, there's more in there. What the? Can't see it. Yeah, it's got the cable in there.
Oh, that's
But
to
I don't
redo
think
the
we'll
whole
need the
shebang.
Um,
I think we just need the exterior part.
and this is probably the exterior for the fender.
Grommet and the escutcheon and everything that's right there.
There. It's sealed shut.
From the 70s. That's back when glue was glue. Oh, wow.
Yeah. See, this has
Oh, that's every component.
everything. But take a look, see if that's what's on the car.
Just from here, it looks like it. Let's see. Sure is.
All right. Well, we won't need to change that cable that's inside there. Then I'll bet.
Wow. Hold on to that though. That's
Yeah.
that's some good stuff. Let me try to thread this on here and we'll see. NOS. Kent does not mess around.
Does it fit?
It fits.
Oh, good.
I'll see you again.
I've got
NOS.
too many keys in my pocket.
Kent, I know that feeling every day. NOS Antenna. It goes all the way up.
You know, but when you go, if you were to take it through a car wash, it should go all the way down, and it doesn't.
No.
Um,
Let me see. That's all she wrote, my friend.
Yeah.
And that's plenty of antenna right there. I mean, that's like a CB radio. You could talk to the truckers, man. Should be like, breaker, breaker. You got radio? Oop.
It sounds great!
You be mine.
And it's got a rear speaker.
I ain't seen her since. Some can't go the distance.
It's got a rear speaker and it works too.
For sweethearts stay together when it's fair and warm. But in stormy
That is the biggest smile I've ever seen on your face, by the way. That is awesome.
I love it. That's great.